Yeah, so back on the Mustang, I had one come in. I guess it's been probably like a month or so ago, but you got a new spoiler put on, so I put a picture of that up here. But he said he didn't want his old spoiler, so he's just gonna leave it here. I can throw it away, do whatever with it. So while I got it here, I figure I might as well, instead of just having to take up space in the garage, slap it on here. So I got the old screws out from the old spoiler, which was broke. These were actual screws. So this spoiler takes bolts. So it's threaded on the inside. So I found some, you know, random bolts laying around. So these happen to fit. So apparently almost every car is really taking the same 10mm bolt. So what I'm gonna do is bolt these up, see how they fit, and then I'm gonna go to Home Depot, grab some more of these, figure out exactly what size thread this is, so I can get a bunch of them. And cause I don't know if those are long enough or too long or what, but I'm gonna test them out on here. Got this 3M to hold it in place and to keep water from sliding under it and going through these holes, because this is a wide open hole to the inside, so I don't want it leaking in here, because some sort of way this car don't leak, so I want to keep it that way. But let's go ahead and drop this spoiler on here and see if these bolts are long enough. Everything lines up pretty good. I just got to tighten this down, but I just put one bolt through here, got this side threaded, and then put one bolt through the top on this side to get this threaded, and then just kind of scoot it a little bit to make sure I can line them up. But I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these down, and then I'll take one out so I can go to the store and get it lined up right. But let me get a 10mm socket and we can get this thing bolted up. And I kind of want to redo this trunk wall in here. It's been like 3 or 4 years or something, so it's starting to show some wear and tear. But yeah, I think it's time to redo all of this, so maybe in another video. So there we go. Spoiler is officially out of the garage and out of the way. Looks good. Still gotta fix this latch spot or whatever, because this is not hooking right with this. So I think this part of the trunk is actually bent, and just throwing this off. But this is bent too, so I don't know if this is bent too far out of shape or if the lid is actually where the problem is. I don't know. So I still got stuff to figure out. But yeah. Anyway, this is out of the garage and it's not taking up space anymore, and it looks pretty decent on there. So piece by piece, still got a lot of work to do. Still got to get them I think head gaskets changed, but yeah, I'm not there yet. But just cleaning out the garage, so that's a little something for you. Trunk is finally fixed. Still probably gonna have to get a new trunk or figure out if anybody can get this dent fixed, but it's finally latched to where it'll actually close. So good deal on that. So yeah, this little piece was just bent that way, so I had to lean it back like so, but that is back working. So at least I got a latching trunk now. So that's really all I needed to do on the back for now. So might go ahead and get a bumper for it now, get that out the way. And so yeah, one problem sort of fixed. So next up is figuring out this head gasket situation. So I'm not really excited about doing it, and I think I want to get some hood struts on here because I'm tired of lifting this up and having to put this on. So I'll probably get some hood struts. If anybody has done head gaskets on one of these 4.0s, let me know something, because I heard it is complicated dealing with the overhead cams or whatever. So yeah, let me know something on that. But that'll be another video for another day. So that is it for today. And yeah, guess I'll probably have some body pieces on this thing next time you see it. But catch y'all in the next one.